How to play Fortnite on Chromebook. Click the time indicator. Click Settings icon. Select Turn On next to Google Play Store. Click More in the pop-up window. Click Accept. Click the App Settings link under Android Apps. Click Security in App Settings. Click the Unknown Sources option and allow installation of apps from unknown sources. Open the Google Play Store app. Download a file manager app from the Play Store. Open your internet browser. Open the Fortnite website, site link in video description. Click the download button. Open the File Manager app on your Chromebook. Open the Fortnite APK file in the File Manager. Click the Install button in the File Manager. This will run the selected APK file and install the Fortnite app on your computer. Thanks for watching.